Hello students, I am Ami Patel, lecturer in Computer Department in VPMP Polytechnic Gandhinagar. In this video lecture, I am covering basics of HTML from unit number 1, Introduction to HTML and CSS of subject Dynamic Web Page Development means DWPD. Objective: from this video, students could able to design and develop web pages using basic HTML tags. Now start with introduction. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it is used for creating static web pages. It describes the structure of a web page. The coding of HTML is written in Notepad, Notepad++, etc. And the extension of HTML file is .html or .htm. HTML web page contains various tags and elements. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee developed a system which allowed to share documents with each other using electronic networking methods. This idea is known as WWW, World Wide Web. There are various versions of HTML are available like HTML 1.0, HTML 2.0, HTML 3.0, HTML 4.0 and HTML 5.0. HTML 5.0 is the latest version of HTML. Now start with HTML tags. There are various tags in HTML like HTML. It is a root tag, root element. Each and every tag is written between angle bracket, open angle bracket and close angle bracket. Next, head tag, body tag, title tag, HR, horizontal ruler, IMG, it is used to embed an image, embedded tag, BG sound, blink, font, center, marquee and anchor tag. It is written as A tag. Now, document structure of HTML. Basic structure of HTML contains 4 main tags like HTML, head, title and body. The structure of HTML web page is like this. It starts from HTML tag and end with /HTML. Between this, all the coding is done. HTML tag indicates that this web page is written in HTML and /HTML tag indicates the end of web page. Head tag contains information about the web and is written after the HTML tag. Between head and /head tag, title tag is used and it contains the web page title and it is displayed in the title bar of web browser. Body tag, it is the main tag of HTML web page. It contains the content of the web page. Next, now start with first tag HTML. HTML element is defined by a start tag, end tag and between this some content is used. HTML elements can be nested. That means elements can contain other elements like head, body, etc. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. HTML element is the root element, means it is the first element of our web page. HTML is a start tag and /HTML is a end tag. And it is used as like this. This example shows the use of HTML and /HTML tag. Between these two tags, body tag is used and it contains only content. Welcome to DWPD. Next, head tag. Head element is a container for metadata. Metadata means data about data and it is placed between root tag means HTML tag and body tag. Metadata is data about the HTML document and metadata is not displayed in our web page. It contains the information like document title, character set, style, script and other meta information. Now example of head tag. First HTML tag, then head. It contains title tag, then /head, then body, then /body. Here no content is between body tag, then last /HTML. The output of this code is like this. This title, welcome to DWPD, is displayed in title bar of this web browser and body tag contains no elements. So here web page is empty. Now next, body tag. The body tag defines the document's body, the main part of our web page. It contains all the contents of HTML document like headings, paragraphs, image, hyperlink, table, list, etc. There is only one bodied element in an HTML document. Now, example of body tag. First tag HTML, then head, then title, then /head. Here head tag is completed. Now start body tag. Then welcome to VPMP Polytechnic and /body and our web page is completed. So written by /HTML. The output of this coding is like this. This whole code is written in Notepad and saved with extension .html. Here title tag is displayed in title bar and body tag contains one line, welcome to VPMP Polytechnic. So it is displayed in web page. Now HR tag. HR means horizontal ruler. It is used to draw a line and it is used to separate various content of an HTML page. It is a self-ending tag. That means there is no need to write /HR in our page. Now example of HR tag is HR. This whole coding is written between body tag and /body. Next, subject name, and this content is written between B and /B tag. So when we run this page, the subject name is display in bold character. Now HR, then DWPD, then HR, then Java, then HR. Now output of this coding is just like this. Here first is HR, so web page contains a horizontal line. Then subject name in bold character, so subject name is display in bold text. Then HR, horizontal line. Then content of DWPD, then DWPD. Then again horizontal line, then Java, and then again horizontal line. So HR is used to draw a separation between contents. Now next tag is IMG. It is used to display an image in our web page. To embed an image in an HTML page, it is one type of container and it creates a holding space for the referenced image. There are two main attributes for image tag. First one is SRC, that means source. It specifies the path to the image, and ALT means alternate text, and it specifies alternate text for the image if the image is not displayed in our web page. SRC contains the whole path of an image, and alternate text is used when our image is not displayed. In the case of wrong image name or wrong path. Now, example of image tag is like this. HTML tag, then head, then body, then image, then slash body, then slash HTML. Here, the image tag is used between body tag and slash body. Image tag contains two attributes. Attribute is written after giving space to the tag. So SRC is the attribute and ALT is the attribute, means characteristics of image. SRC specify image path. Here image path is vpmp.png. PNG is the extension of image file, and alter ALT specify the text in case of failure of displaying image, and the content is vpmp-logo. Now let's start with practical session of all these basic tag. Now open Notepad, write tag HTML, it is a root tag, then write /HTML. Between this HTML and /HTML, I use head tag for heading purpose and /head completion of head tag. Next, body, and after that completion of body tag. Next, head tag contains title tag and /title. In between title and /title, I write VPMP Polytechnic for giving title of our web page. In body part, we can I write some content. First, I describe one attribute of body tag. So I write bg color equal to color name, any color name. This color name is used to give background color of web page. BG color means background color. This is a BG color is a attribute of body tag. So when I run this web page, the background color of web page is blue. Now next, I write some text like the text is written between P and /P, P for paragraph tag, and all this content of body tag is written after giving one tab space. Now I write welcome to PMP Polytechnic. Next, after printing of PPMP Polytechnic, I want to draw a line. So I use HR tag. There is no need to completion of HR tag. After that, I want to display an image. So I use IMG tag and again the completion of IMG tag. Now in between various attributes are used, like first attribute is SRC means source, then ALT means alternate text, next attribute height, height means height of an image to display, then width, width equal to image to be displayed, then border, border of an image. Next, here height and width contains height and width of an image and it is in pixel form. So I write 200 as an example and width equal to 300. And border also contains digital numerical number, so I write 2, so it gives the border of an image. Now ALT, ALT means alternate text and it is used when there is some error in displaying image, so I write any text error. Now SRC, SRC means source path. I want to display an image from desert.jpg which is in D drive, in AMI folder and in again DWPD. So first of all I have to copy this path, copy, then after that the name of image, the name of image is desert and extension is JPG. So I have to write here desert.jpg. Clear? So this is the whole path of our image. Coding is complete. After that, I have to save this document. So open file, then save. I save this file in D drive, in AMI folder, in DWPD. Then give file name. For example, I give the file name P1, then give the extension .html. If I not write any extension, then by default it consider as txt because Notepad is a text file. Now save the document. After saving this document, open folder D drive, AMI and again DWPD, and our file is here p1.html. Now right click on this file, then open with Google Chrome. Here our web page is displayed. First here I write title VPMP Polytechnic, so it is displayed in title bar of our web page. Then BG color equal to blue, so our web page color is blue. After body tag I write welcome to VPMP Polytechnic, so it is displayed as our first line. After this paragraph I draw line HR, so it is displayed like this. Then image desert.jpg, here image is display, so alt tag is not this, alt attribute is not considered. Height of an image is 200. This is the height of an image and this is the width of an image. And border equal to 2. You can see the border like black color. Clear? This is the practical example of our basic HTML tag. Other tags will be discussed in next video. Thank you.